Back in the kitchen, I feel like I'm in my creative zone. Whether I'm making pork, giniling, or sinigang sa miso with salmon belly, I get to turn simple ingredients into something comforting and delicious. Filming each step helps me teach others, but it also helps me appreciate the process more deeply.
Hi guys! Today we are cooking pork giniling, a classic Filipino dish that is tasty, affordable, and perfect with rice. Tara! Luto na tayo!
Here's what we need. Ground pork, 1 carrot diced, 1 potato diced, cooking oil, 1 bell pepper chopped, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 onion chopped, salt and pepper to taste, 1 pork cube, 1/4 cup tomato sauce. Here are the instructions. In a wok, heat 2 tablespoons cooking oil and saute garlic and onions until onions become translucent. Put in ground pork and cook around 5 minutes, allowing the meat to turn a little brown and bring out the oil. Season with salt and pepper. Pour in tomato sauce and water. Bring to a boil and simmer for 15 minutes. Add potatoes, carrots, and pork cube and mix well. Simmer for another 10 minutes or until carrots and potatoes are cooked. Add bell pepper and season with salt and pepper to taste if necessary. Serve hot with rice, perfect for lunch and dinner. Now it's time for the taste test.
Savory! So satisfying! Pork giniling is the best dish. Kita-kits sa next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!